Looking for the fuse box in your Ford E-450 2016 to 2019? I'll show you exactly where it is and break down the diagram so you can find the right fuse quickly. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2016 to 2019 Ford E-450 contains fuses and relays that protect essential interior systems, including the instrument panel, power windows, and audio, using mini and micro fuses for efficient circuit management. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2016 and 2017 Ford E-450 safeguards major powertrain and high-current systems like the fuel pump, cooling fan, ignition coils, and ABS, featuring high amperage fuses, relays, and circuit breakers for efficient power distribution. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2018 and 2019 Ford E-450 protects key systems such as the PCM, starter, electric fan, and lighting, using high-current fuses, mini fuses, and relays for efficient power management. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.